Hi guys, what's up? Hi guys, what's up? Aurelio is good another time. Aurelio is good. Thanks to this new model kit, you have the possibility to realize or the Dragon Cargo Spacecraft version 1, or, you stay attention, this word is important, or the Dragon Lab, because inside this carton box you can find all the pieces necessary for realize one or the other. And this is good. And this is good because thanks to this model kit you have the possibility to enrich your space collection. If I can, I suggest to you to take or 2 or 3 model kits of the Dragon, because thanks to the pieces inside you can realize the Dragon Cargo Spacecraft version 1 or the Dragon Lab, but you have the possibility to realize another version of the Dragon Cargo Spacecraft version 1, but regarding this, the last, I will speak in the new video. In this new video I speak only regarding the Dragon Lab and the Dragon Cargo Spacecraft version 1. Okay? Yeah. I'm so proud and so happy for this new incredible model kit. I'm so proud. In my point of view, the AMK model kits are always the best. Okay, we don't waste the time, we proceed now. Being model makers interested in the world of spaceflight, you will surely be familiar with this incredible cargo spacecraft that, for years, has done its job very well by shuttling between the Earth and the ISS, carrying back and forth all the materials necessary for the astronauts residing on the International Space Station. This cargo spacecraft was known as Dragon version 1 and it was conceived and built by the SpaceX. It was designed to be used as a supply spacecraft to and from the International Space Station after the retirement of the Space Shuttle. Before Dragon was certified for flights to the ISS, SpaceX had to carry out 2 test flights to show its actual capabilities and functionality. It made its first orbital flight in December 2010, becoming the first private spacecraft to reach Earth's orbit and return to Earth after the mission was completed. At the end of these 2 certification flights, on October 8, 2012, the Dragon made its first operational flight, docking with the ISS and supply it with all the materials necessary. During its operational life, the Dragon version 1 completed 22 missions. Of these 22 missions, the first 2 were qualification flights, and the rest were all operational flights. Only the mission number 7 never reached the ISS as, a few minutes after departure, the rocket exploded, causing the loss of the Dragon spacecraft. Now, after this brief and quick presentation, let's talk about the model kit in question. The Dragon version 1 model kit is composed of 3 main parts. The first reproducing the pressurized section. The second reproducing the lower part of the pressurized section. And then lastly the Dragon trunk. In support of the 3 main pieces, you will also find other small pieces that will allow you to complete the assemble lastly of the model kit and enrich it with details. As in the habit of the AMK, the model kit is made of resin and it is finely detailed. The last pieces that make up the model kit are the photoetched reproducing the solar panels and their supports. Last but not least, the small decal sheet to enrich the model kit. In the box you will also find an instruction sheet to assemble the model kit. In the box you will also find an instruction sheet for assembling the model kit. Given the complexity of the model kit, I suggest to purchase of this model kit only to expert model makers. I would advise against it for an inexperienced model maker. Now, my friend, don't waste too much time thinking if this model kit is of interest to you or if it doesn't convince you. Let it enter your collection and it lets you tell your friends. My collection of space stamps is really complete. Okay guys, also this time we have finished. See you soon next time, bye! And don't forget, if you have interested regarding this model kit, this incredible model kit, or this incredible model kit, write me an email, I reply to you and I send you all information regarding this model kit. Okay? See you soon, bye! I'm always the best. AMK is always the best for me.